Hong Kong has many attractions for trade and finance. It regularly tops the global ratings for competitiveness and ease of doing business. And it also offers a strong and well-regulated financial sector, a deep pool of creative, entrepreneurial talent, and world-class ICT infrastructure. Hong Kong's government has passed successive waves of legislation to build on these strong foundations. Among its most significant initiatives has been the establishment of Cyberport. Cyberport opened in 2003 to help foster the city's growth as a dynamic hub for the new economy. It's now a thriving community, embracing more than 900 tech companies.
Cyberport is now the key driver for the FinTech revolution in Hong Kong. It's very exciting as well because we are not just talking about local startups. 1/3 of our startups in Hong Kong actually come from around the world.
Cyberport has developed what it calls an ABC strategy to nurture young FinTech companies. The A is for acceleration, advice and assistance, with a range of full-service incubation programs. B is for bridging and banking. Cyberport connects all the industry's key players, from entrepreneurs, banks and investors, to governments and regulators. And the C stands for capitalize, helping startups to capture global opportunities.
We help our startup from day one. We help them scale up. We link them with smart money. We not only incubate, but we also help our startups to succeed and to go global.
One of Cyberport's biggest successes is TNG, which enjoyed a phenomenal first year, registering 600,000 users for its e-wallet cashless payment system. Founder Alex Kong joined Cyberport on a recent Hong Kong delegation to the UK.
TNG stands for the next generation. We provide the next generation of financial services to the masses, especially to the unbanked population around the world. So carrying a TNG wallet is like carrying a global bank in the palm. So they can conduct their banking business 24/7 and sending money to their loved one in foreign countries anytime they want. We are one of the proud incubators of Cyberport. So they introduced us to the ecosystem. And ever since then, they've been introducing us to various platforms, international platforms and events, be keynote speakers. So they get us tremendous exposure. And they also introduced our first investor. We recently closed our Series A round, which is more than 115 million US, thanks to Cyberport.
We have established channels, green channels, for our London friends to try to get into the China market. You don't get lost, you will get help, and you travel far.
Among the companies that have taken advantage of those channels is Lattice Limited. Launched in London, Lattice have rapidly gained a worldwide reputation and several major international awards for their investment optimization solutions. They joined Cyberport's incubation program in 2013 when they were looking to launch into Asian markets.
When you come into a new country, you need help. And Cyberport was that guiding hand to us, which meant that we had support when it came to conferences, when it came to marketing. We even got a free space for our offices. Every new company will find that the requirements necessary in order to make their product work is based on particularities, on very small details. And having the advice of Cyberport in the background guiding us through this, at times also arduous process, is extremely helpful.
Cyberport is the complete ecosystem for the digital economy. By being in Cyberport, you not only have Hong Kong in your hand, you actually have China within your reach. In a nutshell, Cyberport is the springboard for your global success. Think Asia, think Hong Kong. Think FinTech, think Cyberport. Welcome to Hong Kong and Cyberport.